So in this video, I'll be answering the question, can you download games when you're in sleep mode? And the answer to this is yes. Yes, you can download games when you're in sleep mode. So let's go ahead and just test it out. So let's find a game in our Nintendo eShop that we want to download. So let's go to search, and then let's just filter our search for a specific inquiry. And so here we have our game that we want to download. So let's just go ahead and select it, then choose free download, and then select free download again. And now we can just go back to the home page. So once you're in the home page, wait for the virtual card to load. So confirm. Okay, then it will be added there. So you can see here, I currently have my game installed. So now, when I go ahead and put my Switch in sleep mode, the game will start downloading in the background. So putting in sleep mode just simply means turning off the console so that you can now just put it in sleep mode and let it rest. So now, when you go ahead and switch on your console and exit sleep mode, you'll notice that the download will continue in the background. Thank you for watching. If I've answered your question, and if you have any other questions that you would like answered, then consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.